Your home's front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first line of defense against intruders. In Rayne, where homeowners value both comfort and protection, professional door installation can make a world of difference in safeguarding your property. While DIY installation may seem like a way to save money, expert installation ensures long-term safety, durability, and peace of mind. Precision fit for maximum security. One of the most significant benefits of professional door installation is precision. Even a small misalignment can leave gaps that weaken your home's defenses, allowing drafts, pests, or even forced entry. Professional installers measure, level, and fit your door to exact specifications, creating a tight seal that's difficult to tamper with. Experts in Rayne use specialized tools and techniques to reinforce the door frame, hinges, and strike plate, areas often targeted during break-ins. By ensuring the door sits flush and locks engage properly, they eliminate weak points that intruders could exploit. Reinforced materials and hardware. Professionally installed doors often come with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems. Installers understand the differences between solid wood, fiberglass, and steel doors, helping homeowners select the best material for their specific security needs. In Rayne's humid climate, professionals know how to prevent warping and corrosion, which can compromise security over time. They also recommend high-security hardware, such as multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty deadbolts, and strike plates anchored deep into wall studs, features that most DIY installations overlook. Proper seal and insulation for all-around protection. Security isn't just about preventing break-ins. It's also about protecting your home from environmental elements. Professionally installed doors are properly sealed and insulated, which keeps out wind, rain, and heat while maintaining indoor comfort. A tight seal not only enhances energy efficiency but also prevents structural damage from moisture, a common issue in Rayne. By ensuring that your door's weather stripping, thresholds, and insulation are expertly fitted, professionals safeguard both your comfort and the long-term integrity of your entryway. Compliance with building codes and safety standards. Professional door installers in Rayne are trained to meet local building codes and safety requirements. They understand the specific standards for door strength, fire ratings, and emergency egress, crucial elements for both security and insurance compliance. Homeowners who rely on experts can rest assured that their installation won't void warranties or violate safety regulations. This level of accountability is especially important when installing heavy-duty or specialty doors, such as impact-resistant or fire-rated models. Enhanced aesthetic and resale value. A door that's secure should also complement your home's appearance. Professional installers combine function with style, ensuring the door aligns with your home's architecture and enhances curb appeal. In a competitive housing market like Rayne's, prospective buyers value professionally installed, high-security doors as a sign of a well-maintained property. The upgrade can improve both resale value and buyer confidence, giving your home an edge. Long-term reliability and maintenance support. When you hire professionals, you're not just paying for installation, you're investing in expertise and future support. Many installation companies in Rayne offer warranties, maintenance checks, and repair services, giving you long-term peace of mind. If your door ever becomes misaligned or hardware loosens, professional installers can quickly diagnose and fix the issue, preventing security risks before they escalate. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Rayne is more than a home improvement project. It's a crucial investment in your family's safety and comfort. Expert installers bring precision, durability, and compliance that DIY efforts simply can't match. From reinforced materials and proper sealing to aesthetic value and ongoing support, every aspect of professional installation contributes to stronger home security and lasting confidence. When it comes to protecting what matters most, trusting professionals ensures your home remains as safe and welcoming as it looks.